walking riff. This one's fun if you're advanced. I don't recommend this one if you have not mastered your 5-count riff yet. So the 12-count walking riff sounds like this, and then I'll break it down. So the 12-count walking riff you might hear also is crisscross riffs or crisscross walking riffs, because you'll notice your leg crisscrosses when you do this step. Okay, so crisscross walking riff or 12-count walking riff. Broken down. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't worry, I'm going to break it down more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, broken down slower. Oops. Okay, broken down slower. We have toe dip, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, spank, heel pop, toe dip, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop. Very rarely will teachers say it like that, but I'm trying to break it down as much as possible, and then we'll move on. Again, toe dip, heel scuff, heel pop, heel tap, spank, heel pop, toe dip, scuff, heel pop, heel tap, toe drop. Again, toe dig, scuff, heel pop, heel tap, spank, heel pop, toe, heel, which is the riff, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, 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 spank, heel, toe, heel, 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 toe. We're going to do it to counts because I think counts are just way easier to understand and less distracting. So let's do it real slow to counts. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have also taught it like this. I don't know if this is going to be easier for you, but I have taught it like this before. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That might be easier for your brain to grasp. I don't know. We're all different. So 12-count walking riff, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, faster with no words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now a little bit faster, no words. 5, 6, 7, 8. So those were our walking riffs for today. I hope that you enjoyed, and keep on tapping.